enthusiastic about this stuff. I think
I
I
don't know
have,
about SEO particular. I just love to
yeah,
teach.
I think I need to let it all sink in. I might have questions last time, but I can't, like, there's a lot of information to absorb. So I think I had some questions along the way, but, I'll try to see if I can outline them for next time or send you a message or something. Oh, I
And
do. One
okay,
question. So this presentation, where do we find that?
on the website, okay, designersclassic.com, and then you'll just log in. Once you log in, it'll show everything. So it's going to say Academy SEO training. So that's where, and then you'll just click on that. You'll have a recording of this. You'll have the homework, which is here's the homework right here. This just shows you how to set up the profile, which if you do not already have the profile, shows you how to do that. And then also, I'm going to talk about this too. Okay, in the post. This right here, setting up analytics and search console. Mariah, I've known Mariah for a little while. She's been in the SEO game for right around 8 to 10 years. She has a YouTube channel. Anytime anybody asks about SEO stuff, I usually send them to her channel. She simplifies everything for an eighth grade. I love how she presents her stuff. So so she has a video here on how to install analytics and search console on your site. So it's simple, and she walks you step by step through everything. If you don't know how, she'll show you how, and also to submit the sitemap. So the sitemap, remember I had mentioned earlier about the bots. They head to your website every few weeks. By submitting the sitemap, that's actually alerting them I have something new on my website. So they'll look where they may have said a month, they may be there either that day or a few days after. That starts the process of all of this information being collected on your site. So when we are at the month where we analyze and we look at all this information, now I can show you this is what you're looking at. And this often happens when you hire an SEO firm. They're going to head through all this information. It's going to be like, I don't even know. What are you talking about? This is all this SEO drive. I'm going to break all that down to show, okay, this is honestly what you need to look at. This is going to help you more than this. But we need to have the information first. So that's why I need to have you have this on your site.
Okay, great.
Right.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, I'm excited to do all that. I'm excited to do my homework.
Yeah.
Let me ask, how many of you actually have a profile?
I do. We do.
Okay, that's good.
I mean, Jeff set it up. So, I'd like to understand it better, so.
Okay.
Yeah. And I would be the one that would maintain it because he doesn't do that. So,
okay.
So,
Robbie?
I think you told me to do this a year ago, and God, so I'm going to really do it now.
Okay. All right. And then how about you, Melissa? Oh.
So I'm having trouble with my Google My Business, the GMB. We had some mishap with the mail, the little card they send you. I never ever received it, and this was like months ago to verify it. So now I tried doing the video because it won't let me request a card anymore. But the video keeps telling me it won't accept it. But my question, again, I have the two businesses. They're both out of the same location. How is that going to work? Can two businesses claim the same location?
They can. So what I would say for you is your address have for business A, suite 101, for business 2, have suite 102. And so with the mail, 9 times out of 10 with the mail, if it's at your home, I'm just assuming if it's at home, the mailman oftentimes, even if you have suite 101, 102, it's going to get delivered. So just have that differentiation so they know, even though it's at the same address, they just have different suite numbers.
Okay. So should I just try to keep doing, because it won't let me even request postcards anymore. Like, but then I try the video and it keeps like knocking my, like it won't accept my videos either.
All right, have you did this for each? Have you did this for just one of them, or are you trying to do this for two?
I've tried with each one of them. Like I can't make any new changes. Like I had one for Southern SAS, like the design part, because I've moved locations and I was trying to update it to the new location. It won't like let me do anything there. It keeps like it's not friendly to me. And now it won't let me even do the all things kitchen and bath. Like it's not accepting anything.
Okay, let's just do one at a time. Which one do you want to be the priority for this month?
Probably the Southern SAS. I just, because that's already going, that's already got reviews. Like I just need to be like, I need to be able to update it.
Send me a screenshot of what's happening on your end.
Okay.
I'll have my team look at it and we'll have an answer for you next week.
That would be great. Thank you.
Okay.
Jason,
Yes.
do I want to put my home address or my PO box?
Don't do a PO box because they don't like PO boxes. For designers that work from home, you can actually hide your address from anybody from the outside. So they just need to have the address on Google side so they can verify who you are. But you can hide your address.
Yeah, because I know a friend of mine, I saw her, profile, and it looked like it just showed the area she was in.
Right.
Yep. Carmel Valley or, City Heights or whatever. So that's probably how it'll come up.
Yeah, and there's going to be an option when you're filling it out. There's going to be an option in there to hide your address. So you just make sure to click on that so you can hide your address. And they do that because they know now, that a lot of people work from home. So yeah.
If I'm a judge or something, I'm not going to want anybody to show up at my front door.
Exactly.
All right, great. Thank you. I'm going to take off. We'll see you guys next week.
Make sure to start, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to either have them Facebook or you can hold on to them for next week when we have the Q&A, and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Great.
All right.